Right now somewhere, a robot is folding laundry not in a sci-fi movie but in a real lab. These aren't just simple machines, they're powered by AI learning and adapting to tasks we once thought only humans could do. This is the dawn of the real-world AI revolution. We're talking about physical robots that can see, touch, and interact with the world. They're moving from labs into factories, hospitals, and city streets. The world is changing at a fundamental level driven by circuits, sensors, and code. Like electricity, this technology will transform everything. The same AI that folds laundry will soon drive your car, assist surgeons, and deliver packages. These machines are becoming our co-workers and helpers. Understanding this revolution is for everyone. It will touch every life. So let's explore this new world together. We'll look at what these AI robots are, where they are, and what they're doing. This isn't about fearing the future, it's about preparing for it. The age of AI robots isn't coming, it's here, and it's, scientifically speaking, awesome. You might wonder, why should you care? Because the AI robot revolution will change your job, your commute, and your healthcare. This isn't a minor update, it's a seismic shift. Knowing what's happening lets you adapt and shape your future. Many jobs with repetitive tasks are already being transformed by robotics. But AI robots are getting smarter, handling more complex situations. Learning to work with or manage these machines could be one of the most valuable skills of the next decade. Ignoring this trend is like ignoring the invention of the automobile. Imagine safer roads with AI-driven cars, cleaner cities with robotic garbage collectors, and elderly relatives living independently with robotic assistance. These are real-world applications being deployed now. This technology will redefine convenience, safety, and care. Learning about AI is about future-proofing your skills and making informed decisions. The policies, education, and investments we make will all be shaped by this robotic wave. Equip yourself with knowledge, prepare to thrive in a more automated, exciting world. Let's clear something up. Software AI and real-world robots are not the same. You've used software AI, like ChatGPT or translation apps. They live in computers, process information but can't touch the world. They can write poetry, analyze data but can't pick up a box or walk upstairs. Real-world AI robots combine that intelligence with a physical body. They have sensors for eyes and ears, motors for muscles. This lets them perceive, think, and act in the real world. Imagine a brilliant brain in a jar, software AI. Now give it a body, that's a robot. Suddenly intelligence is unleashed. Robots can navigate construction sites, inspect bridges, or assist nurses. This embodiment is what makes robots revolutionary and challenging. Robots deal with gravity, friction, and unpredictable obstacles. They learn from mistakes in the messy physical world. Progress in robotics can seem slow, but it's accelerating. The fusion of AI minds with robotic bodies is unlocking automation we've only dreamed of. This is the critical difference. Robots bring AI into the real world. That's why they'll have such a massive impact. The future is physical. Let's talk about one of the coolest examples of AI robotics, the robot dog. You've seen videos, four-legged machines like Boston Dynamics Spot walking, running, even dancing. But Spot isn't a toy, it's a powerful tool for real-world AI. Robot dogs are used in dangerous environments like searching collapsed buildings after earthquakes, mapping interiors, and finding survivors. On construction sites, they monitor progress and ensure quality. Police and oil companies use them for surveillance and inspections in hazardous conditions. In Japan, they're being tested to guide the visually impaired. Their agility lets them go where wheeled robots can't. These robots use cameras to see AI to understand and agile legs to navigate. They adjust to obstacles and slips in real time. Robotic canines are taking on dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs, making human work safer and more efficient. And they're getting smarter every year. Tesla isn't just about cars. Elon Musk envisions a future where their most important product is a humanoid robot Optimus. The goal? A general-purpose robot that can handle boring tasks, repetitive tasks, or dangerous tasks. Optimus is designed to work in factories and eventually homes. Tesla's prototypes are advancing. They can walk and perform delicate tasks. The robot's brain uses the same AI as Tesla's self-driving cars, learning to navigate rooms and interact with objects. In factories, Optimus could learn tasks by watching humans, then be retrained for new jobs with software updates. This flexibility could revolutionize manufacturing. Musk imagines Optimus doing chores, cooking, or mowing lawns at home. Building a robot for the messiness of home life is a huge challenge, but progress is undeniable. Tesla is investing heavily, and each update shows Optimus getting more capable. Whether or not it becomes the iPhone of robotics, Optimus is pushing the field forward. The idea of a humanoid robot in every home is closer than ever. Step inside a modern hospital. AI robots are already making a difference. They don't replace doctors or nurses, they help them by taking on repetitive logistical tasks. Tug robots, for example, deliver meals, lab specimens, linens and supplies across the hospital. They navigate busy hallways, ride elevators and save thousands of hours of human labor. In pharmacies, robotic arms dispense medication with near-perfect accuracy, reducing errors. In operating rooms, surgical robots like Da Vinci give surgeons superhuman precision for less invasive procedures. These robots improve safety and quality of care. By automating deliveries, they reduce clutter and infection risk. By automating pharmacy tasks, they ensure correct medication and dosage. By assisting in surgery, they enable better outcomes. The AI is crucial. These robots use sensors and software to navigate unpredictable environments. They're quietly transforming hospitals into safer, more effective places for healing. The hospital of the future is already here. For a glimpse of a robot-integrated future, look at China. Robotics and AI are national priorities, and the results are visible in major cities. Delivery robots zip along sidewalks, bringing packages from distribution centers to homes. Autonomous street-sweeping robots keep cities clean at night. Robotaxis from companies like Baidu and Pony.ai are already providing millions of rides. These vehicles use advanced sensors and AI to navigate complex traffic. The goal: fully autonomous public transport, fewer accidents, less congestion. Government support and public enthusiasm drive rapid adoption. Security robots patrol parks, robotic waiters serve food, and AI kiosks help in subways. China's urban experiment previews what robot-powered cities could look like worldwide. OpenAI isn't just about ChatGPT, they're building robots that can think and act in the real world. Their goal: a general-purpose robot that learns any physical task just as ChatGPT learns any text task. They combine powerful language models with robotic bodies, aiming for robots that understand and execute natural language commands. Training involves humans guiding robots in VR and letting them learn through trial and error in simulations. This foundational research is about creating robots that can help with real-world chores just by talking to them. OpenAI's breakthroughs could unlock the dream of a true robotic assistant. It's a long-term vision, but progress is astounding. The future of robotics is being built right now. Factories have used robots for decades, but today's robots are smarter and safer. The new generation, cobots, work right alongside people, boosting efficiency and profit. Cobots are equipped with sensors to stop if they bump into a human, making them safe for shared workspaces. Humans handle tasks needing dexterity. Cobots handle strength and repetition. This teamwork increases productivity and quality. Cobots can inspect products for defects, freeing humans for complex problems. AI makes robots easier to program, just guide the arm and it learns the motion. Automation is now accessible to smaller businesses. The smart factory is where human ingenuity and robotic precision combine. Together, they create products faster, cheaper, and better. The future of manufacturing is collaborative. Are robots coming for our jobs? Yes, some of them. But it's not about no jobs, it's about different jobs. Repetitive, predictable tasks are most at risk, like warehouse picking or assembly line work. But for every robot deployed, new jobs are created, designing, maintaining, and managing robots. Skills in robotics, automation, and AI will be in high demand. Uniquely human skills, empathy, creativity, problem-solving, will become even more valuable. Jobs like nursing, teaching, and management will grow in importance. The future of work is about balance, automating the dull and dangerous, freeing humans for creative and complex roles. It's not humans versus robots. It's humans and robots together. Adaptation is key, the opportunity is enormous. The robot revolution is here. What will you do about it? You don't need to be a robotics engineer. You need a mindset of continuous learning. Stay curious and informed. Read, watch, and observe how technology is changing industries. Consider investing in robotics and AI through ETFs, spreading your risk and benefiting from sector growth. Upskill. Learn data analysis, project management, or digital marketing. Community colleges and online platforms offer courses in robotics and automation. Learn to use new AI tools. They'll make you more valuable. Be the person who uses new tools, not the one replaced by them. Think like an entrepreneur. What new services will a robot-powered world need? Maybe it's robot repair, integration, or retraining services. Every new technology creates new business opportunities. See change as opportunity, not threat. Position yourself for the future. We've seen how AI robots are changing our world today, not tomorrow. Hospitals, factories, cities, and labs are already transformed. This is as big as the Industrial Revolution or the Internet. Don't fear the pace of change, embrace it. We're all participants in this story. The choices we make will shape the robotic future. Stay curious, commit to lifelong learning, and look for ways to use new tools. Teach our children to think critically and creatively. Have conversations about technology for a better society. The robot revolution is happening now. Science and technology give us the tools to build the future. The future isn't something you watch, it's something you build. Let's get building. The future doesn't wait. Subscribe to Smart AI Hustle and stay updated with the innovations shaping tomorrow.